Yeah, they just. So I'll be running out. We'll have Mary. Go, Emma! Everybody's here to prepare. Including you.
Ah!
Julie, did you get the roster with the numbers? Shoot it, Emma!
Ah!
Go, Emma!
Like even the 2 meters, I feel like they're throwing. Corner kick. Yeah, 5 meters.
Get it!
Free throw.
Jules!
Oh!
The late night game's better than that. One game. So, Roswell.
Ah! Correle! Ay!
Yes, girl. No foul. I like it.
Ah.
So, Devo!
Go. Do it. Take it. Take it.
Let's go! Oh, good fake.
Take it. Go, Devin.
You should win
Take it.
that game. Yeah, all the North.
Where's the other one?
Sorry.
Is that right?
Yep. No, we'll be headed out. We're actually. There.
Go. Oh, nice try. Nice try.
Yeah, she used to. I remember years ago, she used to have this really nice abs. I'm like, was it a goal? Who cares?
Ah! Angelica! Look about!
Laura. Watch it, girl. Good defense. All right. Defense, help her out down there. But Mom would still be mad if I missed like 4.
Let's go, PV! Let's go,
Possibly thought it, right? And that's hell no, but an absolute no. That's why we stay.
No, yeah. Right now!
Oh, come on, Eddie. Come on now. Come on, Eddie. It's it. Good job, Eddie.
Good job, Eddie.
Meeting, and it was like every 3. Monica, why would you bring her? Yeah, like take out. I don't do the social stuff at night anyhow. So then the second year they made a rule that said no one should
defense, Laura!
because they want to socialize. It's like, I'm still not going to socialize. It's like, after the meeting's over, I'm going to my hotel. Yeah, I just ignored it. I was like, she was 3. I'm like, I'm not leaving her at home. I was like, if you want me at this meeting, she's coming with me.
Yes. Go, Laura, let's go. Nice.
Finish it down. So he watched her.
Nice. Good pass, Laura. Nice pass, Laura.
And there was this cool little park that had like carousels, and they just went there all to make it better. Ignored it. They got mad, but I was like, you don't live here anymore? That's not why.
I'm on the fence. 5-hour drive home. Grace just got to us. I don't know. I might head out. Third game is but actually, if NorCal or CC wins there, then they'll be matched up against I don't have to do that. But it's the it's 4 hours and 50 minutes. And you just hit the traffic.
And one of my students actually loved that I used to bring her and like I take a break while I'm lecturing 3 hours. And she's like, oh, now I can't. I don't have to drop out. And she was about to have a baby. She thought she had to drop out. And when she saw me doing both,
Yeah, driving moving part is interesting.
Hi.
I really did feel good doing 45 minute drive.
I like it. Look at her dribbling. Nice, Addie.
help Nicole out.
No, you.
I waited until I waited out traffic, so I didn't leave until 8 o'clock last night.
What does it mean if we win? We come to the game. Oh, there's one.
Hands up! Hands up!
Yeah, I might just spend the night and deal with it.
Hands up!
That's that. Yeah, I think I'm leaning that way. I honestly don't. We'll see.
Go the other way.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Go the other way. Hi, Louise.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll do. Yep, me and Teddy and
Go, Addie.
back to the hotel.
Ah!
I'm gonna spend the night and then leave like It's okay. I got a meeting at 12.
Sure. Why they don't?
Good job, girls. Good, Jules. Don't you?
For like 2 minutes. I know I can't.
Where you go? My goodness.
But you can be that parent tomorrow. Tomorrow she get closer. What's the difference? Sorry? Tomorrow may not be.
Ah!
These would have been the games of life. We did it go. I was like, were you even watching? Because you have to do more of X. And I was like, that's where I was. She goes, you have to be in the center. I even have video of it. She goes, it's really hard. You see the silver side. Hopefully she'll get some. Maybe this quarter. Fingers crossed. So it is far, but if no one's too sure. Her chair
Ay! Get it!
Nice pass.
Keep going! Keep driving!
Oh my gosh.
Keep going! Almost there! Weapon!
Hi! Hi! Oh my gosh, what are they doing?
Trying to run a play, but didn't need to then.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness, I get.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
Hi. Oh my goodness.
Oh, they're right there.
Shoot it! Shoot!
Let's go, Maddie!
Go! Why wait?
There you go. There you go. Keep going. Drive.
Hi.
Give it right back to her. She's wide open. Go, Rose Ball.
My goodness.
7, 6.
Yours! Yours! Ah! Who is the? Where is the?
Pressure.
Ay!
No, you go around. She's getting supposed to stop. And still shit for it. Yeah, you
That's better. There you go.
Go, Lindsay!
Oh!
In the middle. Oh my God. 4. 4 is free. Juliet's free. 22. Everyone's free. There we go. Shoot.
Go, Devin! Go, Louise!
Ah! Yay! Good job.
No foul, Devin. No foul. You can get it, Devin. You can get it without fouling. You can get it. There you go. There you go.
Yours!
Oh!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Take a shot, Lindsay.
No!